human brains. We'll run away together. We'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad
Mi amiga es obsessed con Bad Bunny.
de Bad Bunny.
Garrett conoces todos los words. Bad Bunny, Bad Bunny.
What do you have to say about these?
They're like giant Zoes. They have the playful attitude and they sleep a lot. And I just want to hug them and take them home.
Oh, hey buddies. Yes. You're crazy.
River Monster!
My name's Jeremy Wade, and today on River Monsters we're on the Napa in the Amazon of Ecuador, and we've got a wild Marivuk. Some call her the white monster. She blinds people. She's been known to blind people just by the one sight of her.
Look at your chest, that's the real
Yeah, and my shoulders.
Hola! No! No quieres salir! No queramos! No! Me gusta mucho! No!
I like more.